the boat out. We're free in the front.
Take home on the anchor.
Hold on the anchor.
Slowly with full boat. Different situations. First tell me anchor is loose. It's a bit heavy, isn't it?
It is.
Anchor on board.
Anchor on board.
So we're 3 people. You can clean the anchor without talking to me.
And then I said, let's go in here. Oh yeah.
And here
We were in the, just before entering the streams there. If your life depended on it and you were all alone and you had this map and you had this and you had the radio, you would figure this out. Every single one of you would figure it out. Because you can figure it out by observing and thinking.
I'm doing some navigation training, so I'm looking for where we are and where we're going. Here is Gullholmen, where we visited last night. Then we went away. So here, Käringön. So we were here at Käringön.
Before you get to where you want to be, you have to turn up, so you're going straight.
So how do we get to the 30? She has to turn left.
Dive!
Dive! If you want to reach the 30, you have to go away from it. You have to go away from it. Do you see that? If you want to reach 0, you go away from 0 on the wheel. If you want to reach 60, you go away from 60. You have to get some kind of memory thing.
No, guys, it doesn't go.
Mainstay, guys! Mainstay, guys! What have you done? Look in the front! Maximum, they needed help. Someone turn this around. I'm now turning it back again. Where is the rope?
Okay, I will try everyone. Every rope still.
Let me see.
This one.
Let me see. It's a sail that has been pulled up into the mast and it's then rolled up on itself. When we need it, we roll it out. When we don't need it, we roll it in. These booms will come flopping over like golf clubs at your head. Loses concentration. This happens. People can get really hurt. If you're on the rudder, full attention. If you're tired, let someone else steer instead. With the engine, everything is easy. Now we're sailors. Now we have to be more careful. Look at this. This is a beautiful picture.
We just need to hold it there.
Okay. We are going to raise the mission sail. And we are doing everything without Sebastian.
I don't know actually. Probably we'll go home, but we don't know. We have to trust those guys behind the wheel, you know.
I'm taking it. They're gonna drive a lot, and it can be really dangerous with that one. We cannot put it in quickly and put it down quickly.
When we come to the harbor, you remember the buoy, the red that we attached to before?
Yes.
We're gonna have that on our starboard side. Good.